Guys, if Alex catches a bigger fish than me today, I will personally give away this brand new Lew's Classic Pro with the rod. If you catch a bigger fish than me, I'll give away this rod to the top comment. So look at the turtle. Come on. Hey. There we go. Nice. No! Oh no. Dude. They're in here. That was that 7-pounder that kid caught.
Oh, it's huge! That's huge! Oh, wait. What? What is that?
Get that fish, boy! Get it, boy! Get that fish. That's decent for the first fish of the pond. Get that football of a bass. Oh.
Come on, baby!
Come on!
Come on!
Come on!
Take it back to the shirt. Come on!
Come on! It's a good fish. Belly?
For $80, that's crazy.
This?
Yeah.
60. This is like $55 at Walmart. 55 or 60. Caught another one on the Lew's with the craw. Nice little fish.
Hold on.
On the last cast. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Get him up here.
Oh,
that's a freaking solid one.
Stud. That's bigger than yours.